Hello people, I'm gonna connect a hitch today, a hitch to my Nissan Altima, a trailer hitch. That's a thing you can connect a trailer to it and drag it around. So I'm gonna connect it and I'm gonna show you the highlights, okay? So first I had to lift the back of the car because I had to go under there to, you see those two holes? I'm gonna have to screw them somewhere. So I had to go under the car and do that. So first, I had to put the car on an elevation so I can go underneath. Then I'll find a hole, where this hole will be aligned, and I'll put screw in it, right? So I'll show you the highlights. All right, bye bye. This is hold on. This is a U-Haul. It's upside down here now. U-Haul hitch. I'm not gonna bother you with the part number because if you need it, you need to put your car in, the year of the car, they make the model, and then they'll tell you whichever you need. Okay, so this one is appropriate for this car. So I'll come back. Hello people, so I'm under the car and I had to remove the exhaust pipe. And I have to lose it here, and you need a metric 15, okay? So I remove it here, and I remove the second one from here also. So I'll just lose this and remove the exhaust pipe because the hole, let me see if I can show you here, the space is small. The hole that we're gonna use is somewhere here. You see that hole? There's another one in the back. After I remove this, it will be obvious. So next thing you will see is I'll remove the exhaust pipe, and then I'll show you the hole. This is a hitch right here. Sorry, I'm under the car. The space is small. It's hard to turn the camera and all that. So, but I will try to give you a good idea though. Okay, so I'll remove the exhaust and I'll come back. Hello people, the exhaust pipe is out. It was here. It was here at the end. That's it right there. The exhaust pipe on this side too is out. Sorry for the angle. That's it right there. So now we can see the two holes. These are the two holes we need to dig into. These two holes right here. We need to dig into them. And on the other side, let me see on the other side. Yeah, let me see on the other side. You see these two holes, the big hole. That's what we need to dig into. So I'm gonna use this bit because these have to go inside. These have to go inside the hole. So let me see if I can show you. So this, it cannot go inside. You have to go in there like that, and the screw will be here. So the screw will come out. We'll put the hitch, and then we'll screw it out here. So this hole is not big enough. So I have to dig this hole so this can go inside. Okay. So that's why I'm gonna use that bit, this special bit. Maybe so, yeah, this special bit. So I'll deal a little bit and try it until I finish. Okay, I'll show you later. Hello people, so I dug the hole. This hole was small before and this could not go inside, right? But now it can go inside. Look at that, it can go in now. So I dug the hole here. Hold on, I'm under the car, it's kind of hard. Yeah, I dug the hole here. And I dug the hole on the other side. Just one, right? I will explain in a minute. So this is the hole. Hold on. When I'm digging it, I have to make sure it fits, right? So it fits. Now, let me pose the camera. Car. You know, I'm not a professional who have those very high vehicle. I can zoom the camera, you can see it and everything. So I will explain the next phase here. I dug the hole, right? Remember, I dug the hole so this can go inside, right? I have 4 of these. The hitch came with 4 of these, right? The hole, that hole is significant. Okay. I used to see a screw like this, and I wonder, how are you gonna secure it in? I now understand. I used to wonder why there's nothing you can hold it to turn it in. I now understand. The square groove on it is significant. So this will go in the hole here, and then you see it's blocked. Because of the square, it go in the hole and it's blocked. Okay, what is the significance of that? The hole that I dug, right? Remember there are two holes on each side. One I dug it big, the other I didn't. So it's a little complicated, but you can understand it. So what I'll do now is I'll use hold on, let me show you. Let me remove it, I'll show you. The material came with this wire. You see this wire? It's threaded, and one is not threaded on the other end. So what you have to do is take the screw, and thread it on the wire. Thread it on the wire, right? You thread it on the wire, and then you put it through. Hold on. I should have put this before I put it. So you put it like that, right? You put the screw through the hole like that. Hold on. No, you put the screw, right? Sorry, it's hard to explain it here as I don't have the hole. So you put the thread on the screw like that. Now I'll send the thread in the big hole, right? I'll send the screw in the big hole. After the screw went in the big hole, I'll put this thing. Remember, it can fit now, right? So when the screw goes in first, I'll turn it and then it'll fit, right? And I'll pull the wire. When I pull the wire, the screw, okay, because it just went in separately, right? After I put this on the wire to go in, I'll pull the wire, bloop, you see? Now the screw went in the hole. So now I'll put a hitch. I'll put a hitch here. Now I can remove the wire. I'll put a hitch, hold on. You just turn it and then it will lose, just like the way you lose a screw from something. Okay, so I'll lose the wire because it's coming out, right, through the hole now, right? Remember, it goes in the hole. This is blocking it from falling, right? Because the hole is just enough so this can come in. Now the hole will be somewhere here. This side will be on the middle. The other side will be so it cannot fall, right? So now I'll put the hitch here and it will protrude out, right? It will protrude out like maybe this much. So when I put the hitch there, I'll use this to turn it on it and secure it. See that? And that's it. So I'll do it here. I'll do the two on each side and the two on the other side. So you see that? So the first hole, we don't need to dig two holes because one is enough, right? Because the one we did, like I said, if you thread the screw in, you thread the screw on the wire, you set it in, and then when it's in like that, hold on, let me put it again a little bit. When it's in like that, you send this on here, on the wire, right? So it can go on the wire to go click on the screw. See that? And once you pull it, the groove of the square, it will fit in the square hole. See that? It will fit in the square hole, bloom, and the screw will not move anymore. So when I put the hitch and I put this, I can tie it. Because if they didn't put the square, when you tighten it, this will be moving. If it's a regular screw, when you tie here, this top will be moving. You won't be able to tie it because inside, somewhere in the middle, there's no way to push this down or to hold this and tie it properly. So that's when the groove is very important. You see that? So that's what I'm gonna do now. I can show you at the bottom of the car. So that's what I'm showing you here. I'll go do it. Normally the way I saw the video where they did it, they did the two on one side, they came on to do the two on the other side. Me, I'll do one on this side because I'm just by myself here. Nobody to hold the middle. I have to put some stuff under the other side when I'm doing it. So I'll do one on one side and then I'll come back to tell you how I'm doing. All right, bye-bye. Hello people, as I explained before that I will put the screw in, and as I just demonstrated, it's hard to do it, especially one person, because to hold this is the hitch right here, right? To hold it and be turning the screw, guess what? I lost one screw. One screw, it went in there. I kicked it and it just went in there. Thank God I have a reserve. I bought two extra actually before coming. See, that's one is not go. So I did it. This one I need to tie it a little bit, but it's not going anywhere. So this is this side. And this is that side, the other side. So it's in there. It's in there now. Let me come out and show you how it looks like from the outside. Well, I haven't put the exhaust pipe back here. That was something. To remove it, it was a lot of work. So that's it. See the hitch? This is it. This is it right here. See that? It's underneath. So I can connect a 2-inch because most things use 2 inches. This is 1 1/4. This is the place for the chain. So I did it. Just remain to put the pipe back. Hopefully it'll be easy. This wear me out, I'm telling you. It wear me out like crazy. But I did it. Sorry I couldn't be more detailed, but at least give you an idea how to do it. Thank you, bye-bye. Hello people, so I finished. That's the hitch right there. You see it? That's it right there. Where my finger is. In the middle here. You see it's small? Right here. Right here. That's it. It's good that it doesn't come out so you don't hit your foot against it unless you connect something. So I put the exhaust back. Everything went well. Praise the Lord. All right.